반동에 좀 오래는 됐지만은 썩 괜찮은 호텔입니다. 반동 아스톤 트로피카나 호텔. So I was so stomach problem.
Stomach.
Yesterday, last night. So then I couldn't sleep.
You want to go to doctor or no?
No.
No.
So that's what I talking about now. So, I wake up 8:30 this morning.
8:30.
Even I sleep 5 a.m. I was wake up 8:30 because of the noise, outside of noise. My room is 718.
Oh, 718.
It's a swimming pool.
Yeah.
There's a lot of the child. They're yelling and screaming and praying. Yeah.
I see.
That's why I called here. That's why I called front desk.
Yes.
8:30. And then blah blah blah. Please stop them. And then be quiet.
Be quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But 8:30 to 10:30.
Still.
Yeah, they keep
Yelling again.
yelling and screaming. It means nobody noticed them. Your staff, nobody noticed them, right?
Okay. And then, sir?
So I think there's need some signboard, swimming pool. Be quiet.
Be quiet.
If you screaming like this, disturb other guests. Okay, it's Indonesian language and English language. Okay, because unfortunately I have to stay here 6 nights more.
6 now.
It will happen. Okay, it will keep happen in the morning time.
Yeah.
I don't wanna waste my time.
Yeah, I know.
I pay the same money like them. Okay,
Yeah.
why I lost my time?
Okay. And I will tell my manager.
Tell your
Yeah,
manager.
and-
Unfortunately,
Yeah.
it's really unfortunately. I reserved Anton through Booking.com. If it happens again, even one more time,
Yeah.
just to expect the detailed review about Anton.
Oh,
Okay, I write down so detailed, blah 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 blah, so detailed. Okay, even so, I took a video now.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber. My YouTube channel also
Yeah.
so make a video and then so upload.
I'm so sorry, sir. I will tell my manager
Okay,
or give the solution.
okay, don't happen it again.
Yeah.
Okay, I can patient today.
Yeah.
Don't happen again. Okay,
Okay.
please.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Okay.
I will tell our manager. Yeah.
Okay, I talked with you for a long time. I'm so sorry about you. That is not for you. It's for your hotel. Okay.
Okay. So sorry, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Okay.
Have
Thank
a
you.
nice day.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. My name is Ali, front office manager. Nice to meet you. So, you have a problem about the room, yeah? Not quiet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Your room number is 718.
Hey.
Because we have few pool, and then few street, and then few block complex like so you want to see maybe you want to move your room. I will upgrade you to maybe for the free upgrade. Aston Tropicana Suite, you want to try? Yeah, I have a room, quiet room, Aston Tropicana Suite, the best room. If you want to try, maybe you move tonight until check out. Because
I don't need this. So move my room,
yeah,
Actually, so I was so angry this morning.
this morning.
I called 8:30.
Oh,
I called front desk,
And
and then
then?
so I explained the situation, blah 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 blah.
Yes, yes.
And then so your staff said, okay, I'll try, I'll do, I'll solve that.
Sorry.
But 8:30 to 10:30, they
8:30.
keep the child.
Child, yeah,
The
maybe
child,
child.
they keep
Yeah.
playing and screaming. Even I sleep, I bought
Yes, sir.
I bought medicine now. Huh? It's stomach approved.
Oh,
So that's why I couldn't sleep last night.
yes.
Huh? Even I slept from 5 a.m.
I'm sorry, yes.
That's why I was so angry this morning.
Yeah, sorry.
Huh?
Yeah.
Even I called the front desk. They tried I noticed them.
Yeah.
So they were so little bit silent.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Because, I'm sorry for my thing because 718 nearby pool and then we open pool 6 a.m. But I understand you. I'm sorry. So maybe I have solution.
Which floor?
5 floor.
5 floor.
Yeah.
5 floor.
5 floor.
So how can I move my baggage? Wow, shit.
I can.
It's too much.
Yeah, I can help you to do more. I get that. You can room with me.
So
now. Room ready.
There's sofa.
Yeah, you can check maybe with me.
718 room.
718
It is very satisfied for me.
Yeah.
So I was so happy before this morning. 이 방에 대한 그 컴플레인을 했더니 방을 또 바꿔준대 업그레이드를 해준대. 그래서 일단 방을 좀 하려고요.
I'll go basement.
Okay,
Basement.
so-
Ika.
Okay.
Basement. Kumawa.
Kumawa.
Room here. 515 quiet room.
그래서
718 is nearer to
near pool.
Yes, sir. This is massage.
Massage.
Here.
Uh-huh.
This non-smoking.
Yeah, non-smoking. Bro. Okay.
Aston Tropicana suite.
Aston
Have
Tropicana suite.
2 area.
Mm-hmm.
Big room.
Mm-hmm.
Quiet room.
It's better condition.
You can take a for the video and everything. Room okay.
Okay.
And then this is you can check.
Uh-huh.
Sorry. It's quiet, no? Maybe, but we have mosquito.
Mosquito?
Yeah, mosquito.
It's Azan.
No
It's
problem.
no problem.
Azan, okay, no problem.
Azan. So
This is free update for you. You can try. I hope you enjoy stay here. Because we only have quiet room 515 and then yeah, I think it's better.
okay, I'll move.
Okay.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
So I'm preparing.
Yeah.
I have to discuss with my wife first,
Yeah,
okay?
of
And then
course.
so if she agree, so I'll package it, repackage it,
Yes.
and then so I'll call to housekeeping.
You call one
Huh?
one number.
Number one.
Number one.
Okay. Okay.
My name is Ali.
Ali.
Yeah, Ali.
Ali.
I stand
Ali must be Muslim, right?
Muslim. Muslim. I hope you and your wife enjoy stay here.
Yeah.
And tonight you can sleep very well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was so 718 was 718 was very good. Really, we are satisfied. My wife said, "Oh, it's good hotel."
You come to Bandung to honeymoon or anniversary?
No.
No.
I'm just a retired tour.
Retired, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm 65. 65.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm retired. Retire and then retire trip.
Baby face.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
So you can take it,
Yeah.
and then you call me.
Okay.
I will come to your room to
Okay.
escort you to the room.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.